What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another YouTube. I can't do a T video. My name is Mike, full-time media seller out here at the warehouse today, Monday. You're probably expecting a what sold on Amazon video, but I like to keep you guessing. Today is another one of our fun episodes, and please, I'm begging you, please, everybody, if you could take 2 minutes out of your day, go on to the Amazon forums and help these poor sellers. We're about to jump into 10 crazy, ridiculous Amazon forum posts. You all know I like to keep you all out of there, but if you have the answer to their questions today, feel free to go right on into the Amazon forums and maybe save another reseller's business, job, career, life overall. So without further ado, we are jumping into these. These are not any kind of order. I've collected these over the past few, basically probably 3 months, give or take. So let's see what kind of craziness is going on out there in the Amazon forum. So first up, we have, hello, dear seller. Interesting how to do Black Friday deal. I don't even like, huh? Interesting? That should be a word. And that is honestly something I would probably say by mistake when I'm recording one of these videos. Like, I found this really interesting. Dear seller, we can't help you set up Black Friday deals. You're the seller. It's not like, I can't even understand what's going on in this one. All right, moving along. All right, this is a good one. This is a very good one. It's perfect too. How about your peak season sales? Peak season is in all caps, right? So they're like yelling it, like, how about your peak season sales, right? So that's how this goes. Very bad here. Close to bankrupt here. Winter is coming, and Amazon will charge high storage fees. Listen, if you want to reach out to Ethan Duama, let him know that we're all bankrupt, right? Like, I mean, listen, my shelves are empty over there. I gotta liquidate everything. The end is near. The shelves are empty. It's time to go back to CVS. And listen, when I get a store, I'll hire you all, right? You all can come work for me at CVS, and yeah, we'll just live out our lives miserable. And the end is coming. Winter is here. It's freezing. I probably should have dressed a little bit warmer today, but what are you gonna do? Moving on. All right. Which are the best drop shipping suppliers for Amazon? Suppliers spelled SUPPLYERS. Hello, everyone. I am new on the platform and having great difficulties finding good drop shipping suppliers that offer fast, reliable service and shipping. Any recommendations would be appreciated. Drop shipping? Don't do it. You're going to get burned real quick too, right? And these are forums posts that anybody can see, right? Any moderator on Amazon, like, this is out there. It's linked to your account. This is the reality of Amazon and selling on Amazon. That's why I'm so glad Amazon, everybody's scared to do it, and they just ban people. Ban them all. You don't play by the rules, get out of here. I don't care what kind of nonsense. Oh, I'm gonna sell new books even though I don't got no invoices. Oh yeah, I'm gonna drop ship. See you later, bye. I don't feel bad for nobody. You get banned, happened for a reason. All right, next one, deactivate. My account got deactivated due to drop shipping. I know it my mistake, but now I'm trying to get my account back, but I don't have invoice. These two line up perfectly, right? So whenever I seen these, I was like, oh, drop shipping. Oh, look, someone's banned for drop shipping. See you later, bye. What's your name? Mahar B. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Me and Jeff say bye-bye. Moving on. It's not fair to charge 3 times storage fee. The storage fees for this year are surprisingly high. However, correspondingly, the traffic and sales haven't increased by that much. I would like to ask Amazon, is this charging reasonable? This is kind of an eye-opener thing for me, right? So these people think the more you send, the more you sell, right? That's kind of what you hear all the time. Feed the beast, feed the beast. But the problem is, if you are sending in junk, it's never going to sell. And yes, you're going to have to pay storage fees, but storage fees are a drop in the bucket. Anybody that sells on Amazon knows storage fees ain't nothing for them to store your items, pack it, and ship it. So like, this person just has no idea how Amazon works and the understanding of how fees work when it comes to storage fees. They're next to nothing for thousands of books, thousands of anything. The storage fees are going to be minimal. All right. Stupid Amazon. Stupid Amazon. Oh, this is a bookseller by Pacific Books. Pacific Books, if you're out there watching this, listen. Get off the forums and get into your business. You don't know what you're talking. I didn't even read this yet. I'm telling you right now, you in the forums complaining about Amazon as a bookseller, you're off your rocker, dude. The ROI in books is ridiculous. You just don't know what you're doing. Sorry, Pacific Books, if you're watching, but sometimes somebody's got to tell you the truth. I'll be that person. They gave buyer a refund before book was returned to me. I have no tracking or proof that it's being returned. Very sick, unethical company. If anybody sells on Amazon or has ever shopped on Amazon, which is like 99% of the world population, returns are a part of Amazon. Whether it's FBM, FBA, there is nothing you can do. If you don't like it, go sell on eBay, go sell on Bezanza. Go sell on Bezanza. Come on, get out. Pacific Books, you're a bozo. You don't even... Get off my platform. All right, next up, FBA is worse than I remember. This one's kind of long here. I stopped using Amazon a few years ago because FBA ended up losing, and then in a little quotation marks, stealing my stuff. They claim I shipped them empty boxes that weighed 11 pounds each. They lost $1,200 worth of stuff, and you supply all the document they asked for, and they still tell you to screw off. Jeff sure has a nice boat, though. How and why do people still use this platform? Walmart is so much better. I don't know. I don't know what these people do. I don't know how they pack their boxes. I don't know like what their plan is, how they go about their shipping. This doesn't happen to me ever. People are like, oh my God, they lost $1,200. Well, what are you shipping them in? Totino pizza roll boxes? Like, I use the same size box. Every shipment I've sent in this year goes in the same size box. I don't know what these people do, and you don't have the documents to back it up. Nobody's stealing your stuff, right? It's not like some dude's at the warehouse, right? Your stuff's coming in, right? He opens your box up. He's like, oh, look at this book. Oh, let me get this under here. Oh, let me try to get another book under here. Like, it don't work like that. This is all monitored. You're not labeling it correctly. You're doing something wrong, because my understanding, they lay it all down, it gets scanned, the barcode gets scanned, goes into your inventory. It's that easy. This person's a bozo, and I do think it's funny that people still blame Jeff Bezos. Like, this is Bezos' fault. Like, he's out on his yacht while they're stealing my stuff. I want to talk to him. Fools. Fools. All right, here we go. What is up with sales? From Shop and Gather. Our sales are low, under 49% from last year. Does not feel like holidays. What am I missing? Over 14 years here. God standing help. These are the people I make fun of on eBay, right? I've been selling on eBay for 14 years. Here goes an Amazon. I've been selling on Amazon for 14 years. My sales are down. Probably still selling the same junk from 14 years ago. You've made zero changes in your business model. Fees go up. How much have fees gone up in the past 14 years, right? Like, imagine you only sell this one product, right? And you change nothing, and year after year after year, you're making less money, and your buy cost remains the same, and you're just like, the platform sucks, dude. Amazon, what's going on? I'm here to tell you, sales are not down. Sales are not down on Amazon. They are up. Margins are up. Get smart about your business. Take the 2 minutes you wasted going to the forum, ask another. Listen, people always just want to hear a reinforcement of the negativity, right? So, like, I guarantee you, if I went back to this sales post, there's probably like 100 replies like, Yeah, my sales suck. Yeah, me too, homie. Yeah, what's up? Me too, right? Like, people need reinforcement for the negativity. I don't play that. Go get off your butt, dive in your business, figure it out. None of this nonsense. So moving on. This is a good one. How to join the Buy Box program. Hi guys, I want to join the Buy Box program, but I don't know where to start. Any help will be appreciated. Thanks. Imagine if Amazon just had a program or like a subscription to be Buy Box eligible automatically, right? And I think about this in the terms of media, selling used items and not having the Buy Box. If you could just pay like a flat fee of like $1,000, some people would, right? You know, just because you need the Buy Box to make sales when it comes to selling on Amazon. So this is a funny one. We kind of have cracked the code when it comes to how to get the Buy Box for used media. We're just seeing this out there like it's just like you go into your settings and you check off join the Buy Box program. Come on in. Yeah, you check the box off. Welcome to the Buy Box program where people become bazillionaires. All right, moving on. We got the last one here. Seller support is a complete joke. Hung up on. Calls are suddenly disconnected. Dogs barking in the background. Put on hold for up to 10 minutes, then click. Yes, yeah. I'm trying to get my account back. What? Are you playing Who Let the Dogs Out in the background? They hung up on me. Unbelievable. Listen, seller support sucks. We all know this. Doesn't matter the platform. Get over it. Don't have those problems. And if you do create cases, you gotta be, people don't want to be persistent about anything besides crying, right? And reselling. The only thing people are consistent with is complaining. If I have an issue with my account, and we run into this a lot where people lose the Buy Box, so kind of referencing back, there are ways you can reach out to Amazon and do certain things to possibly get you the Buy Box back, and people don't want to do it. I understand, wow, I got to create a case, I got to do this, I got to do that. Do you want a business or you don't want a business? I mean, pick a side, any side, what's it going to be? Get it done. Don't rely on seller support. Ain't gonna tell you nothing anyway. It's all scripted, no matter what platform it's on. Here goes. You might as well be chatting with the bot, right? What's going on? Okay, we'll look into it. Then you get an email. It has nothing to do with it. So like, relying on seller support or calling them for anything that doesn't really have an immediate effect on your account being shut down is a waste of time. So that's gonna do it. I appreciate you watching. Remember, please go to the forums. Help these people out. Help them, you know, their items are being stolen. They want to get in the Buy Box secret club, you know, like you go down to the basement, there's a secret club down there. It's all like shag carpet in and everything. Help these people out. Winter is coming. Everybody's bankrupt. I mean, give some tips and tricks. Good luck, though. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more used book videos. Bye-bye.